प्लीज यूज वैल्यू फंक्शन बिकॉज मेरे को 0 से इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. That is useless for me in this case, right? So please convert this into a value. So whatever right function is giving you, I am converting it into a value. So it eliminates the zeros.
Say, suppose 100 invoices. Out of that, maybe some invoice number 42 and invoice number 58 are not there in the list. So, can we able to find out the missing numbers out of the series?
Do you have such kind of data already with you? See, guys, whenever you are asking question, present me the sample data. It will be easy for me to explain or solve it. Okay, it is possible because
they're in my office laptop, but currently I'm not having it.
So it is possible. I can think of some way. Like, let's say we generate. How does your invoice number looks like? 1, 2, 3, like that?
It is like IT-001-002.
IT-001. Okay.
Yeah.
IT hyphen 001. Okay. Let's keep it like that. And this is the data. Clear? And let's say I have these numbers are not there. And I am presented with this series. I know what is missing, but let's say you are not aware of that.
Correct.
Fine. So now I need to create it in additional column somewhere. So first thing is I need to find the numeric value. And that I can easily find by write. Okay. Write 3 characters because that gives me the numeric part. Fine. So that is giving me. And I am saying, please use value function because मेरे को 0 से इतना interest नहीं है. That is useless for me in this case, right? So please convert this into a value. So whatever right function is giving you, I am converting it into a value. So it eliminates the zeros. Fine? Fine or not till now? Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So I have taken the right 3 digits and then converted it into a value. Now, what is the highest invoice? Let's say I want to try finding that. So highest invoice is nothing but maximum of all these numbers. Correct?
Correct.
Now, how many invoices are there? Number of invoices. And that will be equal count A of this column. Count column A. That is the meaning of this count A. Count A means count anything. So that is 11. And here I can easily see if my number of invoices is less than my highest invoice, that means there is an issue.
Yeah, correct.
And I can write all this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, out of that, can we find out which are the numbers that are missing?
It can be like possible, but we need to think more. I cannot like right away give you the result. Okay. It may be possible. Okay.
Yes.
Like what will be the approach? What will be my approach? If my highest invoice number is 13, I will generate the numeric like invoice numbers up to 13 on my own, starting from beginning. And then I will match the list which is available with me. And then I will find what is not matching in that. But then it is a process which may require more like advanced functions or multiple stages of functions. But it is possible to do that.